In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a calendar invite in Outlook. First, open the New Mail menu to access options for creating a new event. Then, select the Calendar Event option to begin setting up your meeting invitation. Next, enter the meeting location, choose attendees from the contact suggestions, and add any optional participants if necessary. Now, select the meeting's start date and time by picking the date and adjusting the start time dropdown. Set the end time to complete your scheduling preferences. Finally, begin typing the meeting details into the description box to provide essential information for your invitees. You've just learned how to create a calendar invite in Outlook.